Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Resume Builder website. First, let's outline the essential steps. Begin by defining the core features your builder will offer, such as template choices and data entry fields. Research existing platforms to understand market needs and identify opportunities. Next, select a suitable technology stack, considering both front-end and back-end requirements. Finally, meticulously plan the user interface and overall user experience for seamless interaction. Now, let's dive into the backend development. Establish a secure database to store all user-provided information, ensuring data integrity. Create robust APIs that handle data submission, retrieval, and updates efficiently. Implement strong user authentication and authorization mechanisms to protect user accounts. Crucially, integrate comprehensive data validation and error handling to maintain a reliable and stable application. Moving to the front end, focus on crafting an intuitive and responsive user interface. Develop a variety of professional Resume templates, offering users diverse design options. Create interactive forms that make data entry straightforward and efficient. Integrate a real-time preview function, allowing users to see their Resume update instantly as they input information. This enhances the user experience significantly. Finally, it's time for deployment and ongoing maintenance. Choose a reliable hosting platform to launch your Resume Builder website. Implement analytics tools to monitor user engagement and identify areas for improvement. Regularly update your platform to address security vulnerabilities and introduce new features. Actively gather user feedback to continuously enhance the builder, ensuring it remains valuable and competitive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.